It's officially Truck Month at Chevrolet Buick GMC. Get great deals on our award-winning truck lineup or cash savings and low lease payments on other GM models. Get the vehicle you want with equipment you need at a lower price. Save up to $3,000 on the 2019 Cruze Sedan and Cruze Hatchback with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, touchscreen display, and available heated front seats. Lease the City Smart luxurious SUV, the 2019 Buick Encore, for only $60 a week. Upgrade to heated seats and all-wheel drive, available on the 2019 Terrain. Lease for only $78 a week for 48 months. Lease the family-sized 2019 Traverse for $99 a week. Or get up to $4,000 total value on the 2019 Buick Enclave. Lease the redesigned 2019 Chevrolet Silverado Custom for only $109 a week. Or the 2019 GMC Sierra Elevation Crew Cab for only $129 a week. Our Costco Preferred Pricing offer has been extended. Eligible Costco members get preferred pricing on select General Motors SUVs, plus a $500 Costco card. Celebrate Truck Month in a brand new Chevrolet or GMC truck. Sale ends March 31st. Visit us online to learn more.